Hi everyone, I wanted to tell you all about the Veterinary Nurse Merit Award in Dentistry that's starting with the BSAVA in 2024. So my name's Stacey Parker, I'll be leading the course and I wanted to introduce you to some of the subjects and content that we will be going through together. So the big question is this course for me? Well, the BSAVA Veterinary Nurse Merit Award in Dentistry is suitable for all of you in clinic who are involved within the dental procedure, and we will cover every element that you as an RVN may be asked to be a part of. This course will help you build your confidence in both the anaesthesia and the hands-on dentistry. So yes, I feel the course is for you, and I would love for you to join us. There's two speakers on this course. It's not just me. We have the amazing Peter, and I'd like to tell you a little bit more about Peter and I. I'm Stacey Parker. I registered and qualified as an RVN in the UK in 2014. I then progressed to achieve my nurse's certificate in anaesthesia and then dentistry. And most recently, I have the advanced nurse's certificate in anaesthesia. And I'm currently the only nurse in the UK with the lead vet nurse practitioner in anaesthesia qualification. By day, I work as a referral anaesthesia and dental nurse at Peri Referrals. There's only 7 or 8 veterinary UK dentists, so I'm so lucky and I've learned so much. And I really want to share what I've learned and my knowledge and experience with you on this course. I'm also the owner of Bertie's Boutique, which is a small company offering veterinary CPD. We have the amazing Peter joining us for the radiography units and also on our practical day. And Peter qualified as a vet in Hungary and then he moved over to the UK. And then he met Rachel and I when we were working at a clinic in Sussex. And very excitingly, Peter is training to become a veterinary dental specialist. His training starts in January of 2024. Peter has so much dentistry knowledge and is an absolutely amazing speaker. So we will all learn so much from him during this course. We will be covering a total of 30 hours of CPD throughout this Vet Nurse Merit Award in Dentistry, covering many subjects. The course setup, I think, is really great. It can be quite flexible. A new unit will be released every 2 weeks, so there's not too much pressure. There will be 10 online recorded webinars for you to watch. There'll be notes supplied for every session, online activities, there'll be a forum so we can all catch up with what we've been up to and any questions that may arise from the content that we supply. There will be an assessment of multiple choice questions, a case study, and then there will be a practical day so we get to all meet one another, get some hands-on dentistry as well. So let's talk more about the all-important content. We will be covering so much, such as obtaining dental radiographs, interpreting dental radiographs, anatomical structures of the tooth and the surrounding tissues and structures, discussing gingivitis versus periodontitis. We'll be covering how to place local nerve blocks, completing the dental chart efficiently and completely, and the oral exam and varying presentations that you may see in clinic. We'll also be looking at malocclusions, the different classes, and treatment options that may be needed, scaling and polishing properly and effectively and safely. We'll be looking at that all-inclusive triad and numbering system that can sometimes be a bit confusing and breaking that down for you, and also dental instrumentation and equipment, how best to look after it and how we should be using them and identifying different instruments. We will be covering analgesia, both multimodal medication, including the use of CRIs and the use of pain scoring, and home care for good oral health, as well as discussing how you can go about setting up a really good oral care clinic in your practice. We'll also be covering anaesthesia. I feel nurses are very often placed within the anaesthesia remit for dentistry, including preoperative checks, airway security, hypothermia, hypertension, all the way through to recovery. There'll be lots of video content. It will be very pictorial. You will be seeing instructional videos from Rachel Perry of how to place local nerve blocks in both feline and canine patients. We'll be looking at charting the mouth appropriately and seeing what we may be seeing going on in that mouth. And as I mentioned, we will be breaking down the triad and numbering system for you as well. We will also be discussing how to maintain an airway, including how we should manage and hold our patients correctly and maintain that patent airway without causing any complications, such as in this video. We should always be detaching our patient from our breathing circuit before we turn or move them in any fashion to prevent any form of tracheal damage. We'll be looking at when we should be feeding our patients post-operatively as well. And we will also be looking at different types of ET tubes that are available and appropriate to be used in dentistry surgery. So as you can see, there's a huge amount of content, and I'm really excited to deliver the content for you on this Vet Nurse Merit Award in Dentistry. Our main objectives are to leave you feeling confident in identifying abnormalities in the mouth and performing an oral exam, both under anaesthesia and in your conscious patients in your consultations, and whilst having an underlying knowledge of dental anatomy. You'll be able to obtain dental radiographs and have an underlying knowledge of what you're actually seeing and whether it's appropriate that you've got a good x-ray or not, and partake in making an anaesthesia and analgesia plan for a dental treatment, feeling confident in potential side effects and treatment plans to support the anaesthesia, in particular when we're safeguarding the airway. We will also be able to correctly annotate a dental chart and safely scale and polish the teeth, and maintain and identify dental instrumentation and equipment. So if you're tempted, and I hope you are, I'd love to see you on the course. Numbers are limited, so please do contact the BSAVA or sign up when you know you'd like to, so that you avoid any disappointment. You can book your spot via the BSAVA website, or if you want to get in touch with them, you can email the BSAVA directly, or you're very welcome to contact me if you had any questions about the course, and hopefully I'll be able to help you. You can email me at stacey@perryreferrals.co.uk. I really hope to see you on the course. Thank you very much.